Okay, we're here on Max Paul 11. We got the Expedition in for some repairs. We've had a lot of problems with the front axles in history. Now we got the good Gorilla axles, and it's pulling this frame piece out. So you can see it's all stress cracks here, totally broken here for the differential to mount to, which is over here on the floor. Still in good shape. So what we're going to do is cut this section out. You can see it's almost done being cut. And we're going to put some new steel. Polaris puts like a piece of steel there that would be good to hang something off of, not a differential. But so got my welder here today. We're going to show you how we're going to fabricate some new stronger support for this differential. And we'll keep watching. Alright, we just finished cutting out the old section of frame that got busted and twisted up from the differential. I got a light in there so you can see it a little bit. Yeah, this is the whole quad. Up in the air on my lift. So my buddy here and I, we're going to fabricate some new steel for this differential mount to stop it from pulling apart. You can see my Gorilla axles are floating. My other drive shaft floating down there. This guy over here is the one that's my welder over there. He's getting ready to fabricate the piece. He's using a piece of cardboard over here. We'll take a walk over there and see what he's doing. Alright, so he's working on that piece there.
You get some left-handed scissors.
We got some left-handed scissors. We don't have left-handed scissors. Anyways, we'll show you some more as we put some pieces together here before we glue it together with the welder. So you see we got the new piece of steel being mocked up, setting in the frame.
Want to go on the top or the bottom of that?
Not sure. Cleaning it up very nice.
Grab the big grinder.
Oh yeah, you can see we're making it up. We started off with this little piece of cardboard to as a template. Now we got the square. He's gonna clean it up with his tools. There, we get it mocked up, buddy. Look at that, huh? Woo! Yep.
That's where she's going.
That's looking nice, buddy.
Alright. Now.
Okay, folks, we're finally welding in that new skid plate. Or should I say differential frame member mount. See it there? Very nice.
You got a flashlight?
Zach's using it outside right now. Still welding away! You see it getting hot over there in the corner. Okay, we got the plate mounted, we got the hole drilled, we got the drain hole, we got the bolt getting there. We're going to test fit the differential and add some support braces to it. So it's coming along pretty nice. Making some gussets. Got the skid plate back in there for the differential. We got a cracked frame member. Crack here.
Okay.
My God. We're going to take care of them. I'll show you the new diff get put back in, but try to show the new plate all welded in. Very nice. Ready to bolt it together after some paint. Alright, so now that we got this new frame piece welded in, we noticed a crack in the frame here. I'm going to try to zoom in on it here. Right there, crack. So we're going to shine that up, weld it, and make gussets. You'll see what they are. Like little triangle pieces of steel we're going to weld in here to add to the strength after welding it back together. We also got a crack, remember, down here, just below the coolant bottle, which supports the steering column in the frame as well. So we'll show you how we do that. The frame, we've already test fitted the front differential in here. Everything's all set. We got to open up this drain hole, bolt hole, access. It's a little, still too small, but that's okay. That's a quickie. So we're almost there, folks.
There.
Alright, we finally bolted the diff in, painted the plate. Nice. Diff is installed. Back where it should be. You can see a rub mark right there where they used to hit from moving so much. Not no more. We welded the frame, painted it here and there underneath the coolant bottle. So now we're just putting it back together to give it its first road test, or trail tested. Alright, we just finished installing the front differential. You can see now, we got it bolted in, my new drain bolt. All done, painted, bolted in. Suspension arms back on. Got to put the wheels on, and we showed you how we mocked it all up and made it. Restored my front differential mount. We're ready to go. We got nice clearance behind the axles again here. We used to rub right there. No longer rub. Should be minty. Good alignment on the drive shaft. Perfect. This is the piece that we cut out to replace. This is the old steel that used to be right here. That's the new. Ta-da! Little foot back together. This Expedition's all fixed, folks. We got the new skid plate for the differential all in there, all back together, ready for its first road test. And we're going to lower it down. As you see it come off my crane. I almost talked out my buddy here. What are you doing over there? Alright.